How to use or get the templates in your Facebook page. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that, so follow up with me. Now first open Facebook and switch to your page. After you get that done, tap on the profile picture in the top right corner and then tap on your page name right here. When you see something like this, just tap away to ignore it and tap right here on the three dots. Now from here, once you tap on edit, you should see something like this, where you get to tap on the button right here to access the templates list and tap on the template that you want to add to your page. But if you tap on edit but you don't see that page, I'll show you how to fix it. Now go back to your menu. From here, tap on help and support and tap on report a problem. Tap on continue to report a problem. Wait for a second and then tap include in report. Scroll down and find the pages, tap on it, and then from here in the description, describe your problem to them, and maybe you can copy my message right here. Once you're done, tap right here in the top right corner and your report will be sent, and they should get back to you in a short period of time with a solution. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.